Dear students, good morning. Already I sent second chapter revision video. Now this is the first chapter revision video. Okay, listen it. Now we are going to discuss about multiple choice question, one word. The first question, the number of rows multiplied by the number of column is equal to the total number of what? This is my question. Okay, the answer is fields. Fields means what? In the table, one cell is there, no? That is called as a field. So, number of columns and number of rows, everything is equal to the field. Okay, the total number of cells. Okay. Second one, every set of information in a table is called. Every set of information in a table is called what is a row. It is meaning every column, every cell value is related with the another one column value. Okay, that is called as a related. Every set of that means what? One column is related with the another column. So that column is related with the another one column. So one column value is related with the another one column. That is called as every set of information in a table is called, answer is row. The one row is called as a value, set of information. Next one, which one of the following is used for getting a group of record that fulfills certain conditions in a database? A database having a more information, much information. From that whole data, we need to take only one information from the whole data. Okay, we have to put some conditions. We have to given some conditions. Okay, from that condition, I will take the only one value. That is called what? Query. Query is a asking questions. Okay, that is the answer. The next one, which one of the following contains long text with multiple kinds of data? Which one of the following contains long text with multiple kinds of data? So when you enter the values in a database, we having some data types. What are the data types? Text, numbers, and time and date, logical field, and currency, and memo field. Like that, many databases available. From the database or from the data type, what we have to choose means it is memo field. Memo field only used for containing long text with multiple kinds of data. Multiple kinds of data. Next one, which one of the following is used for relating a table to an outside key in other table? That mean what? A table having a one primary key. A table unique value. Okay, so in the table we having a many columns. From the table we have to set only one primary key for the one table. Okay, yeah. That primary key is used for checking with the another table for taking the informations. Okay, so we have to combine, we have to check with the other table, one table value, column value, we have to check with the another column value in another table. Which key is used for that means is a primary key. Okay, next one, which is collections of organized data item in the form of tables? Which is collections of organized data item in the form of tables? You must be understand the meaning of the question. Collection of organized data. Organized data means arranging. Okay, we have to keep there and keep there and we want to keep there, like that. Okay, so we have to collect the information from the outside and organize it in one places. Okay, it is the form of the table. Okay, the name of the organized and collected informations using in the form of the table means it is the RDBMS. What is that? RDBMS. It is called as a relational database management system. Okay, next question, which data in a database table? Which data in a database table? Okay,